Hello and welcome to this part of C programming tutorial series. In this part, we will learn about function pointers. So, as we may ask ourselves, what are function pointers? A function pointer is a pointer to function, to say it plainly. And second question you may ask, why function pointers, or rather, how function pointers are different compared to normal pointers like an integer pointer or a double pointer or a char pointer. The answer lies in the fact that a normal pointer will either lie on stack or heap, while a function pointer will always lie in code segment or text segment. That leads to another conclusion, that the address of the function cannot be modified because code segment is typically marked as read-only, while stack and heap both can be modified. Now, that gives you another hint that you cannot really call malloc or calloc for function pointers. Now, the last question which one may ask is, where do we use it and how do we use it? So, where I'll answer you that you can use it for switch replacements. You can use it for callbacks, which is a popular use, and mostly these are used in GUI programs in the heaviest use. It's not that it is not used anywhere else. If you analyze a lot of code base, then you will find that statistical distribution is that in GUI programs it is used a lot more compared to console programs. In console, which is our area, it is mostly used as switch replacement and other places where we need a callback. To get a clear idea on how to use it, let's go through our program. I have a char, which is operation, and two operands, operand 1 and operand 2. This is unused here. So I take in operation as input and the operands as input, operand 1 and operand 2. Then I pass it to a function called switch. In function switch, I take operation as our switch variable, and depending on its value, I register 4 functions: plus, minus, multiply and divide, depending on if operation is plus, minus, multiplication or division. And I call a function, call function pointer. In call function pointer, these functions I have renamed. I have called it pointer to function. You see, I have used ampersand here, and then I receive as pointer to function. The only restriction is that all 4 should have similar signature, or rather, let's put it this way, same signature, not similar, same signature. And then this will become plus, minus, multiply and divide depending on the case, and then it becomes easy. Then one of these functions will be executed and you will have your output. Now, one question you may ask is, why go through all this simple task? Well, the answer lies in the fact that I have to show you a small program. In real life, your plus, minus, multiply and divide will be big functions. But those functions will be huge, maybe 100 lines. At that moment, you will see the beauty of this because you can't write 100 lines in a case. It's not that there's a technical problem, but you will definitely want to reuse the code and put that in a function. Plus minus is okay, you can put it here instead of call FP itself. But in real life, you would definitely want to put the functionality in a function. This is an example which is there to explain the concept. So let's run this. So Eclipse will not take, will not print the input first. So I give the input separated by space. Then we have the output. 3 into 7, 21. Now let us see another use of function. There is a library function called qsort, which can sort almost anything, integer, double, anything. Just that you will have to give it some assistance. You have to give it a compare function. This function qsort library function stays in stdlib.h. So I have put it there. So put your mouse here and you can read it, the description. Okay. So I'll explain it to you. I have this values array.